Hey, this is Eyal from Tantra is Love. 1 out of every 3 women is not satisfied with her sex life. Maybe you know it from your own life and from your friend's life as well. Many men come too fast. Many women don't come at all. Even if they do have an orgasm, sometimes it's kind of shallow. It's not really satisfying. So what can we do about that? There are actually many techniques and tricks and tips that you can do in order to make your love life better, in order to have amazing orgasms, in order to have more meaningful relationships. So one of the ideas is breath, sound and movement. So with breath I mean breathing deep into the belly, really filling the belly with air, as if your lungs were inside your belly. So breathing full, maybe holding that for a split second and then breathing out. When you breathe really deep into your belly, you bring more oxygen, more energy, more awareness into your belly, and maybe also then sending it to your genitals. So you might feel some effect, some heat, some sensation, some tingling there. Another thing to do is the idea of sound. So when you breathe out with a sigh. Then experiment with different kind of sex sounds, pleasure sounds. And it's like a trick to make your subconscious feel as if you're actually having pleasure. It's like fake it till you make it. Your subconscious hear you making pleasure sounds, so it goes like, there is pleasure. So actually there will be pleasure afterwards in the body. This also feels really, really nice for your partner to hear you make pleasure sounds. The third idea is the idea of movement. So moving your hips back and forth from side to side and in circles when you're touching yourself and also when you're having sex. This is again will create friction and heat and energy and arousal in your genital area and increase your pleasure. And also what it can do, it can spread the pleasure throughout your entire body, so you will have maybe whole body orgasms, you have whole body pleasure. So breath, sound and movement. If you like these ideas and you would like to know more, go to tantraislove.com. If you're in Australia, you're welcome to join one of our workshops. In our workshops we cover many of these techniques. So there's exercises, there's no nudity or there's no sex, there's no genital touch in the workshop. It's a very safe and comfortable place in order to experience your sexuality, in order to explore your sexuality. But it's still very juicy. You learn a lot of really nice things, really amazing techniques to do with your sex lives and with your relationships. You are welcome to come to the first evening of the workshop. That's a Friday evening and that's free. So you can all come and have a taste of what we offer. There will be some exercises, there will be some theoretical discourse and some sharing. Trust me, you would want to keep your weekend free because you would want to join the whole workshop. Okay? See you soon.